Morning all. Today's class we are going to discuss about shackle-type insulator. I think for the previous two sessions we have discussed about insulators itself, and for the first session we are discussed about pin type, and second class we discuss about suspension type insulator. I think you all have enough information about pin type and suspension type. And today we are going to see the shackle type insulator. So before enter into this class, shall we recap about the suspension type? What is meant by suspension type? Why it is called suspension type? So all the that is a number of discs are together connected in series, and it is connected in the tower. It can be shows in the suspension. So that's why it's called as a suspension type. And what is the range of voltage we are using? Yes, more than 11 kV to 765 kV. So I think you all remember all the information. So without delay, we have to go for the next session. So shackle type insulator is primarily we are using in the low voltage distribution line to support insulate conductor. And normally it is used below 33 kV, and it can be installed either vertically or horizontally on the pole. It depends on the application. Normally, we are already we are, know that what are the material we are using to made up of insulators. So, especially for shackle type, it is made up of porcelain and polymer and also glass. And features of this type is it consists of a tapered hole in the center, which can be used to or help to distribution they are reducing the stress while we are providing the or connecting the high loading, and it is used for potential for breakages, and commonly it is used in distribution line and terminal points also, or in the change of direction. So where we have to use this type of insulators, where we have to use this one is know that we know the distribution line and also the terminal point or a change in the direction. It's also it depends on the applications. So normally the low voltage applications to ensure the safety and reliable power deliver. And shape of this insulator is, I can show you the diagram. You can easily to understand. This is the shackle type. It is in the type of round shape, and in the center it consists of a tapered hole is there to the wire connected through this line, and or through the shape of the round we have to use. So I think in this diagram we are showing this in the tapered, that is for the corner we are using this, and this is exactly the I already mentioned there is a centered hole is there, that is the tapered hole is there, and this is the shackle type insulator. And also we have to use that is the hole is 25 wide galvanized plate is available at both sides, the sides of the insulator. And also we have to use available in I can mention this, it is available in a round shape, and also we have used in the three types of sizes we have to use. One is 50 into 65 and also 75 into 90 also we are using. And for and another measurement is 110 into 115 So normally that is the first one is 50 into 65 are used for the low voltages, and remaining two, that is 75 into 90 and 110 and 115 are used for the main lines. So these are the sizes we are using, the three type of sizes we are using in the shackle type. So now we have to see the advantages and disadvantages of the shackle type. These are the extremely depends on the conductors and designed to meet up of the demand electricity. As well as we have to use in the vertical or horizontal. And porcelain insulator, we have a high amount of current and the temperature. And it maintains porcelain in different electrical appliances, and also the application are applicable for low voltage distribution networks. So thank you all. We have to see in the next class about other type of insulator. I think we have to recap or summarize this session. So what are the today's class? We are discuss about shackle type insulator. Shackle type insulator consists of there are a shackle type is used in the overhead line, and by using type of insulator below 33 kV, and we can say it is the voltage low voltage level insulator. And what type of voltage we are using? That is low voltage we are using 15 to 65, and for higher main line we have to use 110 into 115 and also 75 into 90 centimeter we are using. And we are discussed advantages and disadvantages too. And mainly in shackle type, it consists of a tapered hole in the center. So okay, just keep in your mind, based on this, if you are loading this overloading, it is avoided for the breakages. And one more thing, we have to use this in the vertical position or in the horizontal position also. So I think enough information you are having about shackle type. So see you in the next class. Thank you all.